Hello everyone, in this video we want to present to you about our project which is Arduino Unity fishing game. Before that, I will introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Prasetya and my team is
Muhammad Rafi Muzakki Setiyawan,
Taufiq Abdullah,
Yohana Agnesia,
Jumanson Ambarita,
Hafidh Alfairus.
and we have a project manager, namely is Mr. Riwinoto ST M.Kom. So let's start to next slide is project description. Okay, this is our team. First, I will introduce my name. I'm Muhammad Prasetya. My job deck is hardware programming. Is leading the team group and handling the Arduino hardware simulation.
I'm Hafidh Alfairus as 3D artist game designer. Create asset list for the 3D and build micro asset of the games.
My name is Jumanson Ambarita, and I'm as a 3D artist and also the game designer. Basically, I create the asset for the game and also creating the game concept.
I'm Muhammad Rafi Muzakki Setiyawan as game programming, create the game mechanic stroke Unity engine.
I'm Taufiq Abdullah as the game designer and programmer that create the game story concept and assisting for dynamic of the game.
I'm Yohana Agnesia as UI scene design. I'm create user interface design for the game menu and setting.
Alright, this is a project description. We agree to give a name to our fishing game namely is NusaFish. So, what is the NusaFish? NusaFish is 3D casual educational game that invite you to Indonesian water to catch various type of fish. We give a character name, namely is Budiono. The student love marine biology. Here, we will explore locations such as Lake Toba, Barelang Waters, and Musi River. We have three type of fish, namely is common, uncommon, and rare, and have a different point in each type of fish. Obstinate in addition, our game also has obstacles such as avoiding garbage and controlling the reeling wheel so that the fish do not escape. So the point is that our beside of the exciting and educational fishing, our game also learn about the richness of Indonesian marine life.
The first week, our team held a meeting to discuss the job description of each member, namely Jumanson and Hafidh as 3D artists, Reihan as hardware programming, Rafi and Taufiq as game programming. Second week, we meet with the project manager to discuss the intelligence and strategy in starting PBL.
In week 3, we are predominantly centered on collecting valuable feedback and suggestion through a series of consultative meetings with our course lecturer, thereby refining the project overall direction.
Alright, for the fourth week, when we reached 20%, our team finalized the game concept plan while refining the game features like logo, storyline, and detail. Also, the main course is mechanics. And the other side, some of us try to learn Blender and Unity for support development. The fifth week, when we reached 30%, we consult with our hardware lecturer about the game controller, and it was helpful to design our shape or our controller. And also, and that week, we also begins to work with our logos, and some of us also tried to import the game asset from Blender into Unity for integration.
The sixth history logbook. The focus this week was on designing a user-friendly and visually appealing game interface using Figma. Alongside further refining the game's logo design, efforts were also directed towards creating various objects and obstacles to populate the in-game environment. Moved to the 7th week, we successfully enabled the player basic interaction within the game. including the ability to pick up or grab items and rotate a full 360 degrees. And additionally, the fish assets were imbued with the AI-driven movement. And at the end of the week, we met once again with the project manager to review our progress.
First photo, we had a consultation with the supervisor to ask about the Arduino controller that was suitable for our game. Second photo, display of the UI design that will be used in our game UI. Third photo, assembling a 3D model such as player, object, and fish, which will be used in our game later. Fourth photo, several fishing game mechanics that are being developed through Unity Hub.
Maybe that's all about our project presentation is Arduino Uno Unity fishing game. So, goodbye everyone.